Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I want to talk about one important topic, that is saving tax by chartered accountant worth the money that you spent? So that is the point of discussion. So this is the month of paying taxes, and most of the people are getting into stock market, and they are getting into options and futures market. So paying of their taxes are very complicated. So that is where they need to take help from a chartered accountant, which will make their life much easier. But if you are a normal salaried professional, then you can use some of the free tools which is available that we'll discuss, using which they can easily file their income tax. I know in corporates, even companies help them pay their taxes with the help of tax consultants there within their company tie-ups. So if you are into options trading, futures, so I will tell you one website from where you can avail that their paid service. This is not a sponsored video. I just want to tell you about a service which I have used. So let me tell you how it went through. So after using this chartered accountant, I was able to get deductions on other expenses. So I was into futures and options trading, and in that I had a brokerage amount of 11,100 that you can see here, which is my spending. And there were other charges like internet expenses, which I wouldn't have claimed if I have normally filled it. And we have something else known as depreciation. So you won't be able to claim the items that you have purchased for directly trading, but you can um, claim the depreciation cost of it over the lifetime of the product. Say for example 20% every year. So all these calculations all can be worked out by a chartered accountant. So this is one such example that you see here, and there are provisions for tax saving recommendation using tax optimizer. As you can see here, a net savings, tax savings for the current financial year, which can be used for next year tax filing. So all this can be done with the help of a chartered accountant, and they have also suggested what can be scope for my investment so that I can save even more tax. They have suggested that I have utilized only 5,117 rupees of the 10,000 available tax-free interest on deposit in my savings account. They have suggested I can contribute 50,000 into national pension scheme and save tax, and I can utilize health insurance. And similar to that, one more thing that they have utilized here, which I wouldn't have utilized, is carry forward losses. So using this information for next year tax returns, as the loss can be set off against the future income. So I had some loss in my equity segment. So that has been mentioned here as carry forward losses, which I will benefit from this year. So these such facilities and functionalities of income tax is very complicated, which normally we won't be aware of. So those cases we can use the expertise of chartered accountant. So let me show you one such site that I used. It's called eztax.in. You can use any other site also. I have tried ClearTax, but somehow I felt that it's a little bit more expensive than eztax. So the free service allow you to automatically file the tax using form 16 and other things which is there, and I think that is allowed in ClearTax also, which is also very good interface. But here the paid services are the one that I like here. So if you, based on your income, you can choose these plans. Say for example, if you have a single house property, agriculture income, then you can go for this. So what I am really referring to is about these things. You might be able to do these small things that are till expert assisted medium plans, but when it gets into futures and option, it gets a little bit complicated and very complex. as and when it goes. So here I think they have charged around 3,609 including discount and GST. This was the plan, the futures and option plan that I selected. So on the whole, if I say by using a tax consultant, and if you have income from multiple sources, and especially stock markets, like where you have income from dividends, you have income from equity market, commodity market. If you have futures and options, that can be shown as a separate business altogether, where you can claim deduction on your expenses. So in that case, I think a tax consultant will make your life much, much simpler. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.